Hello everyone, welcome to my video. This is Harshit and I am going to explain you what ScreenPal website is and how it is useful. And ScreenPal, it is used to record the screen and we can use it to create content and present the presentations. And this is the rectangular frame where I can use to show the screen whatever the position I want to. And this is the dashboard and Harshit Nalapu, and it's my user, and I created it with the free account and I signed up. And the ScreenPal, it comes with many options and I can highlight whatever the stuff, I can write it down, I can underline, and I can erase it with the eraser also, and I can highlight it with the lawn highlighted. I have a highlighter and I can type the types whatever I want. Welcome to ScreenPal, and I can exit it, and this is useful for the presentations, and thank you for watching it.